up so high, even when I'm coming down. Just met a girl, say she from the H-Town. I say my name is... What's up, y'all? Okay, y'all, today we're gonna do a little shopping. I'm gonna hit this Bath and Body Works to use these free coupons, and then I think we're gonna roll to Target to see what they're talking about. So let's go.
I'll touch that 5 for you. I'll do that 3-4 times again. I testify for you. I told a lie, I kill that bitch. I do what all of them around you scared to do. I'm not. Long as you're jugging out it for me, I got it. Mobbing, scheming, looting, hide your bodies. Long as you're dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody, I'm with you right now. Tell the truth, I look better under you. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I snooze and miss the moment? You're just too important. Nobody do body like you do. Can't lose when I'm with you. I can't just snooze and miss the moment. You're just too...
Alrighty, y'all. My Bath and Body Works. Is that what it's called? Quick call. I only bought 1 cent, y'all. And here you go. Y'all, this smells so freaking good. So I bought 4 of these. And this is where I put my wildflowers. Now, this is like the best creation. It fits perfect in there. So when I'm ready for it, I just come over here and like, which scent do I want? So that's it, y'all. I keep the tags on there. I can make sure I remember what the heck the scent is. And that's it. I need 4 more, y'all. This is another day. We still doing the damn thing, though. I'm about to holler at this Dollar Tree real quick and some other stops. So let's go.
Nobody do body like you do. Sex remind you I'm no violent, I'm your day one.
Y'all, this nasty is all get out. Like, do not buy this. Do not buy it. It's nasty. I'm gonna drink it all because I need some energy, but I'm gagging after each sip. It's horrible. Thank God it was only $1.25 because they're higher priced at other places. Y'all know y'all see that killer white van? Don't kill me. Real talk, don't kill me. Guess where I'm at now? Don't judge me. Judge somebody else. No, real talk. I saw this coat that I was like, I could at least tried it on. But I didn't. So now I'm like, let me just try it on. So I'm going to try it on with you guys. So y'all let me know what y'all think.
Even though I don't want to show emotions, I'm hoping not the type to try and double back twice, but you have me running right back. Have me coming back to back, yeah. Play it by your neck, yeah. Tell you arch your back, yeah. Tell you to shut your what's up. Rushing here real fast just to take it slower. You know I ain't these other hoes, but boy, you let me know.
Y'all, they didn't have the coat that I was looking for. Praise be to God, because I did not need another coat. But the yellow jacket and the that brown flannel, I got those too. And they was only $5.99 each. So, bam, winning. So, on to the next store, which is, I don't know. So, y'all find out when I find out. How about that?
One time you give it to me so good.
Okay, and here is my small haul that I got from Ross. I'm trying out these new little supplements to see if it's gonna change my mood and put me to sleep, as you see. And they were, I thought it was a decent price just to try at least. And then I got this soap pump dispenser, whatever. I thought that was real cute. I'm trying to upgrade my little bathroom. And it's glass and metal. And I'm a baby when it comes to fragrances. It can't be too strong. And I'm trying out the pink sugar that everybody always talk about. Everybody says it's a teenage scent. Guess what? Hell, call me a teenager then, baby. Because I'm going to rock it. And so far, I do like it. And then, y'all, this is the ultimate. This back stretcher thing for $8.99. When I tell you, let me pick it up. When I tell you, y'all, this saved my entire life. This thing feels so good, y'all. Oh, my God. Yeah. So if y'all ever run across one of these and y'all have back issues of any kind, y'all just need that extra little stretch, I highly recommend it, y'all. I love it. I've been doing it every morning and before I go to sleep at night. So that's my little small haul from Ross. Kevin. We're exercising, guys. Whew. Pray for me. I'm finna jog. Light jog, right? Mm-hmm. Well, I know you're gonna go harder than me, though.
No, I cheated. I had to push you.
Oh, Lord. It felt good now. Oh, yeah. My child, we did it, Moo Moo.
I know.
1 mile. Now we finna walk a mile. Oh, my God. And he's off. I'm walking this one, y'all. But he can do his run.